Her passion is what, to me, is so valuable and beautiful about our first artist here. She has the ability to take that passion and put it to work. So I've seen the reaction of students in classrooms, in theaters, react to her, and it is a gorgeous thing to experience. I feel like you're going to experience the same thing while you listen to her. Please, if you've never heard or seen her before, you're in for a treat. Kick back in your couches and Huntsville, Rocket City. Please enjoy Miss Victoria Jones.
Thank you. Hey everybody. This first song is called Live for Now, and I hope that it blesses you. Tired of sitting here behind the window pane of my fears, watching life just pass me by. How I wanna take a trip outside, and then I hear a voice inside my head saying it's time to rise and live again. So make my way to the light. Oh, I'm finally going outside, and I can feel the sun on my skin, and I can start to smile. Yeah, I'm coming up for air, 'cause I ain't breathed a while. Yeah, yeah, I'm choosing to live for now. Now I'm walking with a stride, with my head now lifted high, 'cause I know who I am inside, and I now have the wings to fly, and I can feel the sun, yeah, on my skin, and I can start to smile. Yeah, I'm coming up for air, 'cause I ain't breathed a while. Ooh, yeah, yeah, I'm choosing to live for now. Why worry about tomorrow when tomorrow has worries of its own? Why worry about the past when today is a gift you can call your own? When you can feel the sun on your skin, you can start to smile. Yeah, come up for air if you ain't breathing a while. Yeah, yeah, just choose to live for now. For now, for now, for now, for now, for now. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So this next song, guys, I'm going to play for you is called Something About. And I actually played this song before the students with Microwave Dave. Foundation. It was absolutely so fun. I really am grateful for them too, because I was able to create a curriculum for the children with this song. And just a little background knowledge of this song. It's called Something About, and really it's just about you sitting in the moments that you are, being fully present. Because so many times I think it's so easy for us to compare ourselves amongst ourselves. So this next song, I just hope that it gives some light about just paying attention to where you are. There's something about knowing that no one can live this life like you can. Something about seeing all the people and places tailored to your path. There's something about being fully present in the moment that's in front of you. Something about breathing in deep the gratitude. His face melancholy, I wonder what he's thinking. Windows down, feeling the breeze, it's good to take it in. Quick, you'll miss it. Did you see the child grinning? Or the crowd of two kittens on the carpet in the kitchen? Did you see it? Did you even see it? The tears run down her face as she just chronicles of a bad day. There's something about knowing that no one can live this life like you can. Something about seeing all the people and places tailored to your path. There's something about being fully present in the moment that's in front of you. There's something about breathing in deep the gratitude. See, idolatry robs me up, in comparison wounds me, and they both blind me of the life that surrounds me. See, idolatry robs me, in comparison wounds me. Yeah, they both blind me of the life that surrounds me. There's something about knowing. There's something about seeing. There's something about being. There's something about breathing. There's something about knowing. There's something about seeing. There's something about being. There's something about breathing. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right, guys. This next song is just a song of encouragement. It's something, too, even within the Microwave Dave Foundation, we try to encourage the children to use their words. Many times it's so easy for so many children just to act out of emotion, but as far as education goes, we believe that being able to teach a child how to use their words and how to fully process is so important to education as well as to collaborating within the classroom. So this next song is just a simple song of encouragement called You Will Be All Right, and I hope you guys like it. It's going to be mashed up with something that you know, too. To tell myself sometimes to relax, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. But this stress that I'm in is weighing hard on me, blurring up my vision, making it hard for me to see. But I must take a break and say something to encourage myself, to give me hope beyond today. See, I will be alright. At night I may have to cry, but in the morning my tears will dry, and I will be alright. See, life is unpredictable, and it throws so many curveballs. But I refuse to want to go back in time and tell my younger self that everything's gonna be alright. 'Cause this is something I need to know, so I can live in peace and let God take control. Yeah, I will be alright. At night I may have to cry, but in the morning my tears will dry, and I will be alright. I will be alright. At night I may have to cry, but in the morning my tears will dry, and I will be alright. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child, things will get brighter. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child, things will get brighter. Yeah, someday we'll get it together and we'll get it all done. Someday when the world is much brighter. Yeah, someday we'll walk together in the beautiful sun. Someday when the world is much safer. But you will be alright. Yes, at night you may have to cry, but in the morning your tears will dry, and you will be alright. Right. Thank you. Thank you so much. This next song is called Be Bold. Inside there lies a voice of reason, a voice of hope, a voice of truth, a voice of love. Also inside there's a soul that's afraid, afraid to speak up and be bold. Be bold. Be bold. Be bold. Inside there lies a superhero, a conqueror of the world and all seven seas. Also inside there's a soul that's afraid to be unique and be bold. Oh, be bold. Be bold. Oh, be bold. Ooh, 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 ooh. You ain't gotta raise your voice, just stand above the noise. No, you don't have to draw a crowd, just live your life out loud. No, you ain't gotta raise your voice, just stand above the noise. No, you don't have to do things perfectly, just be the change that you will want to see, and be bold, hey, be bold, yeah. Be bold. Right, thank you. So guys, this last song that I'll be playing for you guys is called Echo. And one thing that I love about working with the Music Foundation is that they always encourage to use music and education to also highlight things of the past and to give history. So this next song that I'm going to play for you guys is called Echo, and it's, of course, it's about the civil rights. And I think that this song is also just applicable to our time and even how it relates to students and how we should relate to each other. And that's to just let love echo between us all. So I hope that you enjoy this song. Since the beginning of time, there have been riots, debates, and lies, injustice, poverty, and pain. Chaos and sorrow intertwine, with stains of tears we cry, leaving a question to always remain. What is the answer to all of this pain? But if you listen closely, then you will hear an echo that roars from the deep. This echo is the answer, this echo is the key to fix all the problems we see. And it's love, let it echo again, let it echo again, let it echo again, let it echo again. The greatest men of all time who fought for peace and civil rights, their messages consisted of one thing: a life of total sacrifice, helping those too weak to fight, giving a voice to those who can't speak. So that leaves you and me to be the change we want to see and the love that this world needs. But if we're not listening, then we are truly missing it. The true silver lining is, yes, it's love. Let it echo again. devotion. Love is kind. It rejoices with the truth, tells no lies. It doesn't envy, doesn't boast. It doesn't seek its own. Love never fails, no, no, no. Love never, never fails, no, no, no. No, 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 no. So let it echo again. Let it echo again. Let it echo again. Let it echo again. Oh, 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 let it echo again. Love overrides politics, doesn't care what skin you're in. It reaches past religion. Yes, it's love. So let it echo again. All right, thank you. Thank you. Woo. I always get so nervous when I play that song. Because I think it's so wordy, and then I get emotional and passionate. I'm like, and then I also can get tongue-tied.
Thank you, Victoria Jones.
Thank you for having me.
That was awesome, powerful, beautiful, all the things that you are. And Huntsville, what did you think? For those of you who have seen her before, once again, she just keeps getting better. For those of you who haven't, what do you think? Please blow her up on social media. Support our local musicians. Let her know how she did today. But she is just such a treat to work with Microwave Dave Day and the foundation. We're just so thankful to have her in the studio here at Tangled String Studios to celebrate the Microwave Dave Day. And let's keep doing it.
Yes.
Let's get in the classroom again, please.
Yes.
We'll do it hopefully soon. Thank you so much,
Thank
and
you.
we will see you soon.